Hello and welcome to Kwick Kargo's Global Courier Village website. One platform, many destinations. We offer 4 pavilions: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, allowing you to select your preferred origin with ease. For instance, choose the Indian pavilion and click Get Quote to continue. Choose your pickup region. Choose your pickup state and city. Choose your country of destination. Select your preferred delivery speed. Choose the weight of your shipment. Take a moment to review and understand the shipping process. Awesome! Your rate is here. To proceed with the given rate, simply follow the steps to book your parcel. You're all set. Thank you for choosing Kwick Kargo for your shipping needs.